In the retina of the eyeball, how is how is the nervous system actually detecting those photons, and what are some of the key features that those sensory neurons have that enable them to do that?
That's a deep topic, and I will just tell you right off the bat, Nick, that I take a lot of what goes on in the retina for granted, for
Mm.
better or worse, because most of our studies are focused on the cerebral cortex, which is the first place in the ascending visual pathway where information from the two eyes is combined. So we're very interested in the neural substrate of binocular vision. That's why we see one world with two eyes. And we can also see stereoscopic depth. But to answer your question, there are photopigments in the retina in specialized cells called photoreceptors, and they absorb these photons. And there's a chemical change that ultimately results in a change in the voltage across the membrane of those photoreceptors. And as a result of that membrane voltage change, there is a change in the release of a neurotransmitter, which is glutamate, the common amino acid glutamate. And then the glutamate tickles, the most direct pathway is tickling another cell type in the retina called bipolar cells. And bipolar cells, in turn, talk to retinal ganglion cells. And the retinal ganglion cells are the first cells in the retina that generate nerve impulses that then sweep up the optic nerves. And so it's the retinal ganglion cell activity that is how we see.